one of the most important questions we all should ask as course creators is, what skills do I need to survive and thrive in the new economy? What skills do I need to survive, and not just survive, because like that's bare minimum, but thrive, actually excel at? And if I do, then I will win in the new economy. Online video is just one of those. Unless you're gonna be the CEO and have someone else on camera, at some point you have to get over it. But I'm empathetic. So if you can now fast forward back, it's 2019. And I was telling you, I'm getting on video in 2003. So never compare your beginning to somebody else's middle. There's some natural gifting. I think people should acknowledge that, or natural propensity, I should say, if you're more extroverted or introverted. But I started getting up and doing announcements at youth group. Terrible. I wasn't a clear communicator. I'm on video. The videos ran long. I'm long-winded. I say all the time. I have put out more reps in video than probably anybody listening, maybe combined. The master has failed more times than the amateur has even tried. I'm being a little hard, but I'm trying to say you just got to do it and use your season in obscurity to prepare you for popularity. Because thing number one, let's get really practical. You need to just start doing video today. Like, you're listening to this, you haven't started video, grab your freaking phone and post a video. Well, what if someone sees it? Your number one problem is no one's going to probably see it. That's a blessing. Use your season in obscurity to prepare you for popularity. So just post your first video or go live. Number two, who cares? Do it every single week. Post the videos and do it bad 100 times. Practice in public 1,000 times. And then all of a sudden, someone might be like, wow, that was your second time speaking. Well, yeah, except that you've been secretly practicing massively week after week for the last 4 years.